Peace and blessings, beloved. I wanted to tell a little story. Here is a painting I did in 2023. You see, I am covering over something that I tried to start. It was in the closet, this canvas, for about a year and a half because I felt stuck. And I pulled it out and decided, instead of throwing it away, let me just repurpose it. The theme that I've been living with for a while has been asking Spirit, show me how to repurpose for a new purpose, skills, gifts, and talents that I already have. How can I take what I already have and move in a new direction? So here I created some sort of like a horizon, you know, um, making it look like a horizon. But I didn't stop there, you know. Whenever I sit before a canvas, I usually will sit, meditate. I'll have paints, colors accessible for me, and I just ask, which colors should I use? I don't have a formal picture or design in mind. I just work with it intuitively on how I feel in the moment, and then I reach over and pick the colors. So the next phase of this is using the technique of neurographica. I've spoken about this before. Some of you have commented. Thank you. And what I'm doing here, even though it has a term, but this is something that when I was a child, and I've gotten comments from other viewers that they experience the same thing, where it's just basic random doodling, or you might have some formal shapes and what have you. There's no rhyme or reason. And you just mark up however it feels. So then, from there, I began to paint with other colors, not too many. While I'm going through this process, there's something happening in the mind. Hey, you guys, this is Empress Chakra Wanda, your angelic healer. So, over the winter time, I'm redirecting my energy since we have to kind of be inside more often, hibernating. This time of the year, my mood usually is affected by the weather, so creativity is a way for me to redirect my energy. I started painting back in 2020. This is a canvas size, I think it's about a 2840 by 48, and it was originally a painting that I did, a drawing that I didn't complete, and so I painted over it with black, red, and a teal, and then did some drawings using a technique called neurographic arts with lines and circles, and then painted. Then I wanted to do some accents, so what I'm doing is they call it gold leafing, gold foil, and this is actually a second attempt because I had got some gold foil sheets, but it didn't work really well. But now I got the gold flakes, and I think I'm digging it. Well, first of all, I discovered years ago that doing something creative, I used to do a lot of jewelry. I mean, I've been creating for years, but for the last 3 years, it's been painting. And it brings you into a certain state of mind, you know. In our waking hours, you know, our brain waves are at a certain frequency and vibration until we go to sleep. And then when you go to sleep, it even gets more relaxed. But it takes you into a state, what they call an alpha state of relaxation. But creativity does the same thing. And it's like I could work for hours and don't even know what time it is. You know, it's just a vibe, right? Connects you with a natural flow. So here's what it looks like. Second attempt. the flakes. I think I like it a lot. And I'm going over some areas that I did the night before with gold. It was the gold foil sheets, but this time I'm using gold flakes. And I think I like it. And so I'll continue to work with this and yeah, just be guided by spirit, and it feels good. It felt really good, very satisfying to do this tonight. So never underestimate being able to repurpose for a new purpose.